What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to my new setup. This is my office. It's literally just a room that I work in now, so super psyched for that. But today, we're gonna get started right now. How to make a ton of money, not a ton like very quickly, but how to start getting sales from dropshipping without even literally having $0. This is what I did in the beginning. It still works. I know people who still actually do this method that I actually am talking about in this video. So it still does work. I don't do it anymore because you can't scale it quickly. It's just to kind of get a few sales in and get the ball rolling, and then get some funds to where you can start scaling it up with whether influencer marketing, influencer ads, or you can do Facebook ads or Pinterest or Snapchat ads or Google and all that stuff. It doesn't really matter. I'm just talking about how to start when you really don't have any money, literally $0. So let's get into it right now. First thing you want to do, here's how I'm finding products right now. I go on big Instagram pages and I still look through niches that I actually want to hop into, and I try to find products that actually can sell well and that people are currently promoting. Sometimes I'll also go on Facebook and start typing in certain key terms like half off, free plus shipping, or 50% off and stuff like that, and try to find products that way. Another way is I go on AliExpress and I drag, so like on AliExpress you can drag and drop the photos onto your desktop, and then you can actually do a reverse image search with that image, and you can actually find other dropshipping stores that are selling that exact product with those same product pictures. So that's kind of cool. But we're not really talking about finding the products today. We'll talk about that tomorrow. Right now I want to talk about marketing. So once you have the products, you have your store properly set up. Oh, by the way, I got a haircut because someone roasted me in my last video yesterday or 2 days ago and was like, oh, get a haircut, bro. I did. Hope you guys enjoy it. But once you have your store set up and everything, here's literally what I did. Okay, so let's say you see, here's why it brings up Instagram pages. So let's say you have an Instagram dropshipping page, like an Instagram account that's selling the same exact crap as you guys. Literally what you can do is I will look at I used to look at what they were promoting and what pages they were promoting on, and I would find accounts that are only selling to US, that can only ship to US, and I would ship worldwide. And then let's just say people commented in, oh, do you guys ship to, I don't know, Bangladesh? And if they say no, then I would actually DM the person that said, oh, do you ship to Bangladesh? I would reach out to their DM and say, hey, we are a similar company. We are fairly new, but we'll ship it to you in Bangladesh. Here's our link. Now, it wasn't like every one I messaged they didn't buy, but it was like every few, like 1 in 4. I would do this. They would actually buy a product, and this was 0 ad spend. I didn't have to do anything. It just took so much time, but it's like I was so dedicated to just making it work that I did it in the beginning because I just wanted to make money and get the ball rolling, because I was like, oh, dropshipping, so much fun. And so I would do that. I would go in and I would find businesses that are doing similar or selling similar products and stuff like that, and go and drive the traffic that maybe they can't convert to my store and see if I can convert them. And so that's what I would do. That's number one. That's one way to make money with dropshipping and get sales without even having any money to invest into marketing. Understand, it's not a way to reach $1,000 every single day. It's a way to get like 50 or 100 bucks a day. And then with that money that you make, you can actually just go ahead and scale with influencer ads, collect some data. I'm talking like 200 plus orders, and then begin to transition into Facebook ads. Facebook ads takes a lot of time to learn and a lot of money with testing and stuff, so understand that before you're just gonna jump the gun on that. A lot of people blow money on that. But then the second way, how I used to actually do this, I would go into Facebook pages or groups, and I would engage a ton. So my anchor bracelets that I sold in the beginning, I literally would go in and engage with people and then be like, hey guys, I just found this page, you should check them out. They're doing like an insane sale on these products. Go check them out. They will give you, free. They're literally giving the products away for free. All you have to do is pay for shipping. I would get like a lot of sales from this, like 5 to 10 a day, and just doing this on my free time, like in Facebook pages. Now, I got banned on a lot because it was not really with the terms of service for some of these pages and groups. It was groups, not pages. But it was really easy to get sales. Long term, it's not something that I think, I suggest you guys do, but short term, it was pretty awesome to do. I mean, you can easily test products like that and see if they actually work, maybe before you want to spend any money on ads. But when I was doing that, it was kind of crazy. Like, people actually went in and purchased just because I was like, hey guys, I found this site, I just ordered something, maybe I'll say that, and then I'm like, you guys should go check it out because I am and you know, I barely paid anything, I just paid shipping. So go check it out, and it's an awesome business, awesome company. They have awesome products, so go, you know, go buy something or go check it out. And it was kind of insane how that worked. I didn't really, it didn't require any money from me. It just required time, which now I'm realizing like how valuable time is. So I mean, that could be something people could still do and still implement, but just like hire a VA to go into Facebook pages and do that and promote your actual store. VAs are huge. I mean, I am now understanding how much power VAs or how much you can leverage VAs if done properly. Like you can have them do so much to the point where they could be making you a lot of money if done properly. But those are 2 ways that you can actually get started with dropshipping with 0 funds. Literally, you can start a Shopify store. Here's the thing, when you have a Shopify free trial, you can input your credit card and it doesn't charge you till after the 14 days. But you can make money within that 14 days. You can get sales within the 14 days. So you can leverage that before you even have to pay for the monthly subscription. So that's 2 ways how to actually make money with Shopify dropshipping without any funds to start marketing. It's very simple to do. It takes a little bit of time, but if you guys don't have a lot of money, that's what I recommend. Like if you guys don't have money and want to start a business, do that and see if it works. You can literally test so many products doing this and just see, like in a 14-day period, you can probably test 2 products a day with this method. And that's on the lower end. Like if you want to spend a few hours doing this, you could probably test like 10 products a day. That is huge considering you're not spending anything on ads. So that's gonna wrap this video up. I have to chop this up and make a thumbnail and stuff like that. So I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, smash the subscribe button because we're gonna talk about how to go more in depth and find more products like this to go start testing. We're gonna talk about that tomorrow, a few methods on how I find products and stuff like that. But other than that, hope you guys all enjoyed again, and I will see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Hope you guys have been enjoying this consistency as well. I've posted like 2 or 3 days in a row. It's gonna keep happening because now I'm in a new house. I have like my own office, so I can kind of post every single day and record freely without really having to worry about interruptions or anything. So that's awesome. But I'm gonna go finish drinking my protein shake now because I just went to the gym. So other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.